Hey, what's up guys? Here is a CPV AG test kit. These test kits are for testing parvo. So, I got these on eBay. Comes with a swab, the tablet, which is that. There's your swab over there. And a little droplet kit is in there. Simple thing, man. Just what I did is I got some poop from in there, the bottom of that. These guys got coccidia. That's what the vet told me. And you know, just wanted to make sure it ain't parvo, so I went ahead and tried out these here tests here. Very simple. Got the swab, rubbed some in there, got it out. The test tubes that come in here are these little fluid tabs right here. These are all closed. They all come with the fluid in the bottom. So it's simple and put it in there. I got the swab. Opened it up. Put it in there. Switched it around. Just switched it around. Pulled it out. Let it set for about 3 minutes. And as you can see, let me get the focus. I guess the solids drop to the bottom. I mean, it's all, there you go, it's darker underneath. There you go. See, the solids are on the bottom. Either way, you get some of that, you let the fluid come up. After you swab it, you get this guy right here, dip it in there, get just the water out, not the solids. Put a few drops right here. I put about 4 drops, let it soak. It says wait 5 to 10 minutes for results. It took about, not even 5 minutes. 1 C negative. The C and the T lines would be positive for parvo. So that's just a real quick going at it. So any questions, let me know. I mean, these are real. But I want to say I got this whole kit right here for I think it was $10. You know, I took a lot of game from China, or Japan, wherever it's from. But you know, just to get your doubt, get you out of doubt that you think your dogs have parvo. This right there, these guys ended up getting some coccidia, and we're doing the treatment as well on that. I can make another video if you'd like to see what I'm doing for the coccidia treatment. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I'll get a video. Other than that, have a great one. These are my little Frenchies. We'll get them up and going in no time. Luckily, we're parvo free. This guy is still a little upset. The coccidia's got him not hungry, so we're gonna get her going. Have a good one.